Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, and this thing is amazing, incredibly efficient, has third row seating, lots of space for you and your family, and you should definitely check it out. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, first of all, this is a hybrid, so you have your dual components of gas and electric, so that's where you plug it in right there. Otherwise, it has a 3.6 liter V6 engine underneath the hood. Then you have your Chrysler badge in the middle, projector beam headlamps up front, and fog lamps below that. And make your way over to your wheels. Those are 17-inch alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design. And your side mirrors are powered and heated. You also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have your amazing cloth seats. They have that nice pattern down the middle, really soft. You also have some teal exposed stitching on the sides, and they are captain seats, so you can fold up your armrests. You have power adjustable settings as well. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back. Then looking at your media center, you have your 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen right here, so you have your radio options. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. Then here are all of your hybrid pages, so it has your charging schedule there, your power flow, your driving history, everything is just really conveniently located there. And then you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and text messages, and then you have all of your apps with Uconnect here. Climate controls, which are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat. You also have your rear climate right there. And this has navigation, so it takes you right to your destination, and you have your media options there as well. When your vehicle is on and in reverse as well, you have a backup camera, so it's really helpful when you are backing up. So you have everything at the touch of a button as well for all your climate controls there. You have an aux port, USB port, and a drawer that pops out there. Lots of room down in the middle with a 12-volt and a USB port. You have 4 cup holders right here. Then looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, and then you have all of your power door buttons as well. So you can just push the button, let your kids out for school in the morning, and you can also close it back up, and then you have your back mirror right there. So let's look at the back seats. Just looking in this back, you have quad seating in this middle, so 2 seats and an aisleway in this middle row, and then 3 seats in the back there. You do have your climate controls up on the roof behind you, and you can also fold these seats down to get to that third row easier. So like I said, there are 3 seats in the back there, cup holders on each side as well. So making your way around the side, you have your lip spoiler in the back and your rear windshield wiper with your hybrid badging on the side. This does have a power liftgate along with your sliding side doors on your key fob. And then you have lots of room back here. You can also fold these seats down just following your levers, and it allows you to stow these third row seats in the back. So overall, super efficient vehicle. I mean, that hybrid is incredible. You can get like 84 miles on it. But again, tons of seating inside as well. So if you want to see this Chrysler Pacifica or any of our other minivans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.